Scientists at UCSF have engineered a molecule to act as a new kind of personal protection that prevents COVID-19 by neutralizing coronavirus in the body. SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, is a coronavirus named for the spike proteins that cover its surface. Once inside the airway, the spike protein opens like a flower and fits perfectly into the ACE2 receptor of a lung cell. This allows the virus to enter the cell and release its RNA, forcing the cell to create more coronaviruses that can spread to neighboring cells and infect other people. COVID-19 infection is only possible if the spike protein is able to interact with ACE2. Peter Walter and Ashish Manglik of UCSF set out to prevent this interaction by using nanobodies, tiny antibodies originally found in camels and llamas. They tested 2 billion different synthetic nanobodies against SARS-CoV-2. They found one that binds exceptionally well to the spike protein, then they engineered it to make it even more potent. What they came up with is called ARO-NAB. When ARO-NABs bind to the spike protein, the virus can't attach to ACE2, and it loses its ability to infect cells.
So the ARO-NABs stay on the spike protein for an enormously long time. So after a week of measuring the affinity, we still haven't seen it come off the spike protein.
We can make it for very, very cheap using either bacteria or yeast, making it in essentially industrial quantities. It's so robust that we can dry it down into a powder that enables us to ship it across the world. Because it's so stable, we can put it in one of these. This is a little nebulizer that would allow us to aerosolize the molecule.
Vaccines typically require years of research and production. ARO-NABs could be available much faster. Plus, ARO-NABs would be inexpensive, perhaps even available over the counter, and could be self-administered using an inhaler or nasal spray. Clinical trials testing ARO-NABs' effectiveness in the body may soon commence. ARO-NABs inventors think that trials could prove successful within a few months.